Hey guys, yeah, I did this like yesterday or 2 days ago. I posted another video on the call with Kian, and guess what? Today I'm actually with Kian.
Hey guys.
Move in.
I can't move in.
Look, I can move my chair further and you still can't move in.
There we go.
Okay, what do you want to do?
Roblox.
Okay, so on game each?
Italian comes Roblox. Duh.
We can still do some song, some dog, whatever, but I don't want to do. So
Do we both have shots of speedrun 4?
yeah, sure. So if we pass a level, we give it to each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get my phone just in case it happens.
Okay. And that's just my dad went back to his bedroom. Okay, let's play. Who wants to start first? Rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, you go first.
Ha ha
You
ha.
want to switch seats because all the controls are like here? I can work from here, so you can stay on the seat.
Thank you so much.
And because I can work like that.
I can't. I need to work with this.
That's fine. I'm gonna take
These
this.
are tiny. How do you work on this?
I can use this perfectly fine.
Well,
Just give it. No. Give it a sec. It sometimes just needs time to load.
You're gonna have to reset the character.
No, I never have to reset unless I'm on camera. No, because this is not working, so I need to just wait. Okay. See, it won't work. Oh no, now try.
Yeah, right.
You don't ever have to reset your
How do you
character.
use it?
I don't use back. Do you want me to show you how I?
No, it's fine. I got it now.
Okay.
I just went right past them.
I know. If you see like things going on the side, it's fine. That's always happened if I.
Let's take the short way.
Yeah. No, you just died. Die or pass the level.
Can you
like,
not use that?
That won't work. That can only zoom in or zoom out. I can probably pass like 3 levels in a row.
How is that? If you do that, you get to have another shot.
I don't know. What do you want to make that the rule?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Nah, that's a glitch.
Yeah.
We just had a glitch as well.
Yeah, because it freezes me. I got you to level 2, your favorite level.
It is my favorite level.
Really? I just guessed. That's why I was there. Sorry if we're too quiet.
We're just trying to. Oh.
Did you see that? He was just
Oh, I hate that level.
I love this level.
Oh, but I've got to do the colourful level then.
Level 7.
Well,
4 is you. 6 is me.
And
No, I mean 5 is me. 6 is you. I'm 7.
Yeah, you get to do the colourful level. Your favourite level.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
What? Really?
Yeah.
I
was like, no, yeah, because I didn't hear you properly. I can make on my first try. Remember,
I
if you
don't like these little ones.
we just froze. Can anyone? You just stayed in the same position as I was trying to see if we froze. We look like robots.
I'm trying to concentrate here, Natalia.
Okay.
I hate this.
Yes.
Just die.
No. We're trying to pass level 15.
No, I passed level 16.
Really? But I'm on level 16 if I pass this.
Let's see if I actually got level 16. I'll be on your phone.
Really?
Yeah, because I said to you and I said level 16 is really weird. I can't pass it, it's too hard. Can you guys not see me?
Okay, there. Do level 5. You're doing level 7 if you don't pass this. If you pass. Because then I'm doing level 6, then you're doing level 7. It is possible to skip to on this one.
You've done it before?
Yes.
What, in every single one?
No. Or like, you can skip to in the 12 parts of here on level 5.
Feels weird on this laptop, honestly.
Yeah, you have a laptop at home was not the exact same. See, you just did it. You're doing level 7 unless I die. Well, I might die because I died like 3 times on my last video. Wait, if you pass this, I'm doing level 7. If you die, I do, and I pass, you do level 7.
It depends. Let's just see what happens.
Yeah, it's all up to you if you don't
I'm not a
want
very
level
good player
7.
at this one.
Me either. I actually hate this one. And 15 and 14.
And you're gonna hate 16.
Oh yeah, you have been on it. I don't think you sent a picture of it because
Go onto your phone right now and have it.
Okay. I'm gonna even check. Okay. You look for yours. Okay. Level 7, my easy level.
What? I said you did. Right, so basically the level was about it was like this big thing and you had to like get over it, but it's like all green. The whole level was just green.
Okay. Wait, let's.
How am I? I'm not on mine.
Okay,
Do you want me to try phone Chloe again?
Look. 7.
Yeah. Okay. Oops, I accidentally flew you.
Okay, died.
Oh, you're kidding me, oh me.
No, I'm not kidding you.
Please,
Hopefully Chloe will watch this video. Does she even know about this?
No.
I'll just tell her when we meet.
Great. If we do, after this level we can go over to hers. Just play School Park because I know where she lives. Okay?
After this level, you're sure? We still
No.
got a bunch of time.
After a couple more levels.
After the time limit was 15 minutes.
Not even that long is that. How long have you been recording for?
7 minutes and 13 seconds.
16 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, maybe 15.
Until you get to level 10.
Yes, you're doing a good job.
If you didn't hear that, he said, yes, you're doing a good job because he doesn't want to do this level.
Don't die, okay?
If you say that, I'm gonna die.
Oof. Yes.
Okay, there.
I hate this, like, oh, why did I want to? I'd rather do that. Sorry, I'm like too close to your face. Yours.
Now I'm further.
But I'm like right next to the camera.
No, you're not. It's about that much.
What was that? Your phone just went.
Like the.
No, wait, do.
Oh, that's just normal. That's sometimes the
Games.
something happening outside.
How do you know what, like Brexit and that?
Outside the flat, like in the garden.
How like someone might be outside.
Yeah, but when I look, there's normally no one, so I just feel like it's in front of the house, and I don't in front because I'm already in my bedroom. Was be at the back of the house.
Sorry, I'm taking so slow.
That's fine.
I'm trying to concentrate.
I took my time.
If I don't make any of these, oh yes, I did.
Oh yay! I think
this level.
I love this level.
I hate all the levels. Yeah, I love the second.
Oh, the level 10 you're
like
doing.
Your least favorite.
Level 10?
Yeah. What? Wait, that means you'll have to do level 10.
No, if I die on level 9, and you pass level 9. No, you're doing level 10.
Yay. Hopefully.
You are, unless I die.
What, in this one?
Yes, because then you're doing it, and if you pass, I'm doing level 10. That's why I want you to do level 10, because I don't like it. You almost overjumped.
Can we stop for a second just before that?
Yeah.
Just for 1 second. Right, how do I stop the video for a second? Just say we'll be back in 1 second. Hello back, guys, we're back. Sorry for that. I was just speaking to Natalia about
it only was for them for us was like 3 minutes.
Yeah.
That's how
Yeah,
it
because
works.
we had to pause the video because it was actually something that I had to tell Natalia. Is it even playing? Because I can't.
It is playing because I can move my head, and it's saying it's recording.
See if I get this first time. Are you gonna be happy?
Yes, because I want to do level 11. Because I hate level 10. I died like 1,000 times on this.
Who's this?
I think Chloe.
Hello?
Hey,
Oh, here's Natalia. Speak to her.
Hey,
hi.
how are you?
Alright, you?
Good.
Are you ready?
No.
Oh
We're
my
ready.
gosh.
We're ready. We're just waiting for you now.
Are you still meeting your
Yeah,
Okay.
but I'm just at the shower now.
Oh, you're just out. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Just text me when you want us back, cause I'm just at Gracemint right now. So.
So yeah.
Right, okay.
Right. Okay. See you
Bye.
later. Bye. She sounds much more nicer on off the phone. Like.
Okay, come on.
Sorry, guys.
We only have like 4 minutes left.
I know.
So pass this level, please. I want to do level 12. It's more fun if you play with a friend. By the way.
Yeah, it does.
Mhm.
Except like off on FaceTime, it's more boring. Why do you always hang up on FaceTime? Because you just can't be bothered.
Yes.
And you say, what happened?
I know because I am trying to hide the evidence.
Thanks for telling me now. Did I not just die there as well?
Yes, you did actually die right there as well.
Oh yeah, now you can only see me just for a second. Oh hi.
I'm gonna
Guess
sing
it's
this.
back again.
I wish we could put music up on the same time we're playing Roblox.
I know, that'd be fun.
I think I can.
Yeah, but not now because we're trying to.
And we almost have not enough time for music anymore.
By the time we get all set up music, and then we're gonna have to say bye to the vloggers.
Hey, pause. Before King carries on, hit that like up button. How much like should we go for this time?
20.
20. 20 likes and then we're gonna do a part 2. Okay, unpause.
I almost fell.
I pause on the right time.
I'm gonna do this on purpose so I get to do level 12.
I'm gonna die on purpose as well.
No,
Okay, fine. Okay, I can't see. What level are we on?
level
11. Okay, fine. I'll make this so you can do level 12. I actually kind of hate level 12, and I was kind of hoping that you'll die.
Stop being sarcastic. Sorry guys, we just had to talk for a minute. Pause! Guys, before she moves, just to let you know, smash that like button and subscribe, otherwise you're not going to see a part 2 of our video. Unpause.
Okay, let's carry on. That was kind of weird. Oh, I almost died.
Again.
Yes.
Oh.
See how good I am?
Ah! Yes!
Haha.
I love
I
this.
hate this level.
Oh no. I did actually like. Wait, I don't know where to. Can I die on purpose? For you to do this level?
It's up to you.
Oh no! I didn't actually mean that.
Okay, guys. If we finish this level in a minute,
Pause. Just to let you know, if you didn't smash that like button, you're never gonna see a part 2. And if you don't give this 20 likes, she's gonna go mental like she always does. Unpause.
that's actually true. But I wanted to say if I can make this level in a minute, then that's the end because we literally have like that much time left to record. Okay, guys. What about we end the video there because
Yeah,
we've
we've got to go out as well. And
Yeah,
it's got
we'll-
to be uploaded. Anyway, guys, smash that like button, give us a big like, and we will see you next time.
Goodbye.